In today's video, I am going to teach you how to blur text in Canva. By the end, you'll know two clean ways to blur text: a static blur for images and a motion blur for animations. All using Canva's built-in tools. Start by opening your design in Canva and typing your text right on the canvas. Choose your font, size, and placement so it looks exactly the way you want. To create a true blur on text in a still design, we'll first turn the text into an image. Go to Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file type, and check Transparent Background before you download. This step flattens the text into a single image and keeps the background clear, so you are only blurring the text itself, not the rest of your design. It's a simple way to avoid muddy edges and keep your layout flexible. Next, upload that PNG right back into your Canva project. Place it on the canvas so it sits precisely where your text should be. With the uploaded image selected, click Edit Photo in the top toolbar. Head to Effects. Then choose Blur. You'll see an intensity slider. Drag it to dial in how strong you want the blur to be. For a soft privacy blur, keep it low to medium. For a fully obscured look, push it higher. If you only want part of the text blurred, switch to the brush tool and paint over the areas you want to obscure, adjusting brush size and softness for control. If you want everything blurred evenly, select whole image and the effect will apply across the entire text image. Take a moment to zoom in and check edges. A subtle blur often looks more professional and keeps shapes readable while still concealing details. If your project is a video or a social clip and you want motion, use the blur animation on the text itself. Select your text box and click Animate in the top toolbar. Scroll under Text Animations until you find Blur. Then apply it. Adjust the speed to control how quickly the blur effect happens, and choose whether it appears on Enter, Exit, or both. Enter is great for revealing text crisply after a blurred intro. Exit creates a smooth blur out as your text leaves, and both gives you a polished in and out effect. Match the speed to your music or pacing for the best results. That's it. Thanks for watching.